Lake Hollywood Park is one of the most beautiful and relaxing spots in Los Angeles to enjoy nature and get a clear view of the famous Hollywood sign. This park is popular among locals and visitors who come here for walking, relaxing on the grass, and capturing amazing photos of the iconic landmark from a unique angle. The peaceful surroundings and open green space make it a perfect place for families, walkers, and dog lovers to spend some time outdoors while enjoying the Hollywood Hills scenery. Parking near the park can sometimes be a little challenging because most visitors rely on roadside parking along the nearby streets. During busy hours, it may take some time to find a spot. Fortunately, today we were lucky and managed to get a roadside parking spot. From there, we started walking along the road toward the park to begin exploring this beautiful location. As we started walking toward Lake Hollywood Park, making the walk very enjoyable, along the way, we could see several people walking toward us, some returning from the park, others enjoying a morning stroll in the neighborhood. The surroundings were beautiful, with green hills, quiet residential streets, and clear views of the Hollywood Hills in the distance. The view slowly opened up, and the scenery became even more impressive. The walk itself felt relaxing, and scenic views all around. After a short and pleasant walk, we finally approached the main entrance of Lake Hollywood Park, where more visitors were gathering to enjoy the park and the incredible view of the famous Hollywood sign. As we enter Lake Hollywood Park, the first thing that stands out is the wide open space covered with beautiful green grass. The park feels peaceful and welcoming, with plenty of room for visitors to relax and enjoy the surroundings, unwind, and take in the scenic views of the Hollywood Hills. One of the most exciting things about this park is the incredible view of the famous Hollywood sign. From this location, the sign sits high on the distant mountains, creating a perfect backdrop for photos. Because of this unique view, many visitors walk around the park trying to find the best angle to capture pictures with the Hollywood sign behind them. You will often see people smiling, posing, and taking photos with their friends and family while the Hollywood sign stands proudly in the background. While we were relaxing at Lake Hollywood Park, my mom bought a delicious mango salad from one of the portable stalls nearby. We all sat down on the grass and enjoyed it together. It tasted fresh and sweet, and it made our relaxing time at the park even more enjoyable. After we finished enjoying our time relaxing at Lake Hollywood Park, we decided to explore a little more and get an even better view of the famous Hollywood sign. We started walking uphill along the roadside, hoping to reach a higher spot where we could see the sign more clearly and take some great photos. The walk uphill was really pleasant. The road was quiet, lined with green trees and small hills, and the neighborhood looked peaceful. As we walked, the sun was shining brightly, warming up the morning in Los Angeles and casting a golden glow over the street and houses. It made the walk feel comfortable, almost like a gentle morning hike. Along the way, we could see more people walking toward the park and others enjoying the calm streets, waving or smiling as they passed. The fresh air, clear skies, and scenic surroundings made every step enjoyable. With each step uphill, the Hollywood sign appeared a little bigger. Standing proudly on the distant mountains, the view of the city below was incredible too. From this higher vantage point, we could see the rooftops, tree-lined streets, and the rolling hills stretching out toward the horizon. This short uphill walk turned out to be one of the most refreshing and scenic parts of our visit, making the anticipation of reaching the perfect viewpoint even more exciting. As we reached the spot where the Hollywood sign came into full view, I felt so excited. This was one of my best moments, seeing the world's most iconic logo in real life. The sign looked even more impressive up close, standing proudly on the hillside against the clear blue sky. The area was lively, with lots of people around, all trying to capture the perfect photo with the Hollywood sign in the background. Some were taking selfies, others were posing with friends or family, and everyone seemed so happy and amazed. It truly felt like a special moment to be here. From this spot, we decided to cross the road to explore another viewpoint that looked down toward the city and the hills. Walking a little further, the scenery opened up in an entirely new way. From here, we could see a small lake nestled among lots of houses. which looked really cool and added a peaceful charm to the hillside neighborhood. The reflections on the water made it feel calm and serene, and it was fun spotting all the different houses surrounding it. Looking beyond the lake, the city of Los Angeles stretched out in the distance. The skyline looked beautiful against the backdrop of the mountains, and the view gave a sense of how vast and spread out the city really is. From this higher vantage point, you could see the contrast between the quiet hillside neighborhoods and the bustling city far away. The breeze was gentle, and the sun made everything glow in warm tones, highlighting the greenery of the hills and the rooftops below. People were scattered along this spot as well, taking pictures, enjoying the view, and relaxing for a moment. It felt like the perfect place to pause, take in the scenery, and capture memories before continuing our walk. This viewpoint gave a completely different perspective of Los Angeles, making it a very special part of our visit. After exploring the park and enjoying the stunning views, we started our walk back down the road toward our parking spot. As we slowly made our way downhill, I kept thinking about how wonderful it was to see the famous Hollywood sign in real life. It really felt like a special moment, one of those memories that you carry with you for a long time. Walking along the road, we noticed that the park was still busy, with lots of people coming continuously to catch a glimpse of the iconic sign. Families, friends, and solo visitors were all making their way toward the viewpoint, excited to see and photograph the Hollywood sign. Some were chatting happily. The energy and excitement of everyone around made the whole atmosphere feel lively, yet relaxed at the same time. It really struck me that everyone should try visiting Lake Hollywood Park at least once. Watching the Hollywood sign in real life is completely different from seeing it in movies or photos. The view, the surrounding hills, and the experience of being in the park make it feel magical. You can walk around, enjoy the fresh air, take pictures, and simply soak in the scenery. As we approached our parking area, I felt a mix of satisfaction and happiness. The walk downhill was pleasant. The sun was still shining, and the memories of seeing this world-famous logo in real life made the day unforgettable. It's definitely a place that leaves you feeling good, inspired, and connected to a piece of Los Angeles history. This visit was truly a highlight of our trip, and I know we'll remember it for a long time. So much to everyone for watching this video. I really appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed seeing Lake Hollywood Park and the amazing view of the Hollywood sign, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support really encourages me to keep creating more travel videos and sharing fun experiences from different places. Every like and subscription means a lot, and it helps me bring even more exciting adventures to all of you. Thank you again!